Yes, Mia?
Yeah, sometimes isn't it better not touching the child like the video because it's too heavy? We have children who bites you when they are in a meltdown or you are in danger almost. What do you do? Allee, you wait until it's calmer?
Um, you never force a child.
No.
That's number
Okay.
one. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We are never going to force a child. When you are in danger, you just wait a little bit. You're not going in for to get bitten.
Mm-hmm.
So, but if
Yeah.
you can, if you can get closer from the back and contain them, try containment. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Just try it. If the child is small enough, you can try it. When they are bigger, just give it a little bit more time.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
But of course, it's important that you are safe. Why is it important? Because you are the caretaker. If something if something happens to you, there's nobody to take care of you.
Mm-hmm.
So the very first thing is always take care of yourself, be safe yourself, make sure that the child is safe. Like you saw it also in the video, the dad was holding his hands under her feet because she was tapping her feet on the floor.
Mm-hmm.
So he's protecting her from harm there. So you can do stuff like that or put away the chairs and the furniture so that there's room to move. Um, and don't talk. No talking, no music, nothing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Then in the case that you cannot get closer, you do like the dad did in the video. You just sit and wait and be
Mm-hmm.
present. Be very present in your own energy. So um not pushing your energy out and not projecting your energy to the child. Really
Mm-hmm.
holding your energy with you and grounding.
Yeah.
Hmm? But once you can get closer, please touch. Touch is really extremely strong regulator. And the more research there comes out, the more we get this affirmation that touch is so very, very much important for regulation.
Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.